There is no believing community without God's people being in the context of Daniel chapter 2. Without being up against situations that no one on earth can do or change. Where are you facing those situations? Don't despise those situations. You're not on your own. Whether it's big things or whether it's small things. Are you stuck in verse 27 of Daniel chapter 2? Are you stuck in there's no one on earth can do? Are you stuck like the magicians and the sorcerers and the astrologers were? Where do you need to move from verse 27 to verse 28? Engaging with the God in heaven who can.